The quickest method to remove a tank to bowl bolt on a toilet is to stabilize the nut below while turning or releasing the bolt head above to prevent spinning and save time. Start by shutting off the water supply and flushing the toilet to empty the tank so you have clear access and less mess. Hold the bottom nut with a correctly sized wrench or adjustable wrench while you turn the bolt head from inside the tank using a screwdriver. This prevents the bolt from spinning freely and is the most reliable approach. If the bolt head is corroded or rounded, insert a large flathead screwdriver and use it to carefully pry or rotate the bolt from the top, while someone steadies the nut below with the wrench. When the bolt spins with the nut, compress the bolt shaft upward through the hole by pushing the bolt head toward the tank while holding the nut down, which creates friction and lets you back the nut off. A 5-in-1 tool can be used to push the nut up and the washer down simultaneously so the assembly clears the flange without needing to access tight angles. If parts are frozen from corrosion, apply a penetrating oil and let it sit for at least 15 minutes before attempting removal again, tapping gently on the bolt head with a hammer to break surface rust if needed. Common mistakes are trying to force a rounded bolt head and stripping the screw head, which you should avoid by using locking pliers or a nut held firmly with a wrench while turning from the top. Another frequent issue is not supporting the tank so it rocks and stresses the porcelain, so always have an assistant hold the tank or wedge a towel under the rim while loosening bolts. Finally, people often forget to relieve residual water, causing spills and slippery floors. Flush until the tank is empty and use a sponge to soak up remaining water before working. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and offer a discussion community where people share techniques like bolt removal and other project tips. We help contractors find work by letting them participate in discussions and showcase their experience to homeowners looking for help.